These are fresh baby kale leaves picked from my garden this morning. We're growing a couple of different varieties, and there is just something so satisfying about eating what you grow with your own hands. Kale happens to be one of my favorite vegetables, and so it's fair to say that we've been enjoying a huge range of kale dishes this summer. One is this superfood kale salad that comes together with a few additional ingredients that pack a nutrient punch. You may have spotted it in my What I Eat in a Day video. Here's how I make it. I start by roughly chopping the leaves. Kale is packed with vitamin K for strong bones, vitamin C that boosts your immune system, and vitamin A for good eyesight. It also contains folate for healthy blood cells and brain function, iron that carries oxygen through your body, and calcium for bones and teeth. The fiber keeps you full and aids digestion, while all these nutrients come with relatively few calories, making kale one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat. You can enjoy it raw, but I just prefer the texture and flavor when it's steamed. I add a little water to the bottom of my pan, in goes the kale, and then I cover and steam for no more than a minute or two. This is important to retain as much of the nutrients as possible. To assemble, I lay the wilted kale leaves on a plate, and then it's time to give the salad some more life, starting with one whole avocado cut into cubes. Avocado provides monounsaturated fats that help with nutrient absorption, potassium for heart health and blood pressure, folate, vitamin K, and fiber. Then a tablespoon of flax seeds for brain-boosting omega-3 fatty acids. Next, I like to go in with some sauerkraut. I have a video showing exactly how I made this fermented red cabbage, so be sure to check it out if you haven't already. In the video, I explained the exceptional gut health benefits of eating fermented foods like this. Aside from the probiotics, you're also getting vitamin C and K. For crunch and protein, I like to top the salad with whole nuts. Today I'm using almonds, but any type of nut works great. Almonds in particular are an excellent source of vitamin E and magnesium. I try to avoid heavy dressings, so a squeeze of fresh vitamin C-packed lemon juice does the trick. Vitamin C can actually help enhance iron absorption from the leafy greens. Lastly, a generous amount of ground black pepper, which has anti-inflammatory properties. I don't add any extra salt because the fermented cabbage is already a salty element on the plate. And that's it. It may be simple, but you are doing great things for your health when you eat salads like this. It's such an easy way to pack in a lot of the nutrients you need on a daily basis. It's fiber-rich, gut-healthy, and boasts an impressive array of vitamins. If you're not a big fan of kale, I encourage you to try this salad. Aside from all the nourishment, the combination of all the ingredients and textures tastes incredible. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe because I post a new video every week, and I will catch you next time. Bye!